melawai.
Resmi diperkenalkan ke publik, pelatih timnas Indonesia Patrick Kluivert menyebutkan pemain lokal dan diaspora merupakan jantung timnas Indonesia. Kepada wartawan, Kluivert bilang perlu mengecek lagi kualitas pemain lokal. Menurut Kluivert, hal yang terpenting adalah kualitas. Dalam beberapa pekan depan, Kluivert juga bilang akan melihat kualitas beberapa pemain lokal.
Yang di sebelah sini boleh di 3, 2, 1 di Executive Committee dari PSSI, Pak Erick Thohir, Daniel Lanza, thank you so much as well.
Check also the local players, of course, because I think the local players are the heart of Indonesia. And the other players are, of course, super important, but I think we need to focus very good on the local players and check the quality of the local players, because I think that is hyper important to, implement those players as well, because you want to have also the heart of Indonesia in the team. The quality for me is the most important thing, of course, but yes, in a few weeks I will come back and I'm going to check the local players for sure. Those are also the heart, of course, because if not, they didn't do the neutralization, they wouldn't come to the Indonesian national team. So everybody is important who I call up for the national team.
Usai diperkenalkan ke publik, pelatih timnas Indonesia Patrick Kluivert menggelar makan malam bersama 5 pemain lokal untuk mengenal lebih dekat mereka. Dalam beberapa bulan ke depan, Kluivert juga akan kembali ke Indonesia untuk melihat sepak bola di akar rumput.
I already have a dinner planned with 5 local players.
Okay.
To get to know him a little bit better. So that's already the beginning. And for sure, next month I'm planning to come back here in Indonesia and to see more of the grassroots here in Indonesia.